Good morning! Welcome to moving vlog number 1. It is Thursday morning and it's the day before I move in. I thought this would be a perfect time to start the morning or the moving vlogs because I have a lot to do today. I was gonna start this vlog off me making my coffee, me showering and getting ready for the day. Don't have any more cold brew, so I ran to Target really quick just to get some sold out. So I got Starbucks. I had a momentary pause because I was helping my mom do her school stuff and everything. It is 1 o'clock and now I'm gonna get started on my room, packing things. I wanna show you first what Allie got me for my graduation present. We both kind of got each other things for moving since she's moving to DC. Obviously, we all know I'm moving. And so she wanted to get me something for my apartment, but she didn't really know what. She got me a Barefoot Dreams blanket, you guys. This has been on my wants list for so long. There's nothing, I swear. With the anniversary sale, it was only 98 bucks and normally it's at Nordstrom for almost 200. So great deal. It's this camel color. Oh, it is in the shade camel. So it just would match my apartment so well, and everything, the vibes I'm going for and everything. Oh my God. I can't wait to cuddle with this. Oh my God, I can't wait. I have a few clothes in the back of my car and I have to finish laundry. I just feel like I'm so behind. I literally move out tomorrow. I get the keys at 9 a.m. tomorrow. So each day is gonna be a separate vlog. I just figured that would be the best way to maximize the content. Today's first moving vlog is kind of just getting everything ready to be packed. I mean, I'm probably gonna pack a few things. For instance, I can pack these drawers because I don't need these until I'm done. Pack these, I can pack some of this stuff. I don't really know what this all is. I don't really know what to do with it because it's planners and yearbooks and stuff. And I could pack bathing suits. So I'm just gonna I just got really cold all of a sudden. What the heck? Is there a ghost? I'm just gonna do a quick load of laundry, or my last 2 loads of laundry are in the dryer and the washer. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. Just have all of the clothes clean and ready to move. I don't want to move dirty clothes to the clean new apartment. So let me fold that right now. Hi guys, really quickly just popping in on here to talk about Scentbird and the lovely perfumes that I have been sent by them. So if you haven't heard of Scentbird, Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that gives you the opportunity to shop from over 600 different types of perfume brands. The key about it is it's a penalty-free subscription service, so you don't get any penalties if you want to cancel or anything. So Scentbird lets you choose a new designer perfume fragrance every month, only for $16, which is, in my case, a steal. They have perfumes, colognes, everything is unisex, so it's perfect for you or your boyfriend or your dad or anything like that. So with each fragrance, you get a 30-day supply, so you can try out fragrances before committing to an actual bottle. And you can always upgrade to receive 2 or 3 fragrances a month. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the perfumes that I have from Scentbird. So this first one is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. What's really cool about it is this is what it looks like when it's in your purse, and then you twist up and then you could twist back down to lock it. So you twist it up, spray it, and also what's cool is you can lift it up and see how much perfume you get, and that's a lot. The next one is the Nanette Lepore Enchanted Flora. It's this really pretty periwinkle bottle. Again, you twist up, see how much perfume you get. And then this last one is the Brume Cedarwood and Vanilla scent, and it smells so good, which is really cool how you can see how much product you get. If you guys feel overwhelmed, don't worry, you guys can head over to Scentbird's fragrance recommendation quiz. So based on your scent preferences, your previous purchases, they'll help you pick a perfume that they think will be best for you. So with Scentbird, again, you can get a decent amount of high-end fragrances. So if you decide you love the perfume and you want to get a full-size bottle, with my code, you can get it just for $11 a month for your first month. So you guys can use my coupon code. It'll be on the screen as well as down below for 30% off. So make sure to utilize my code. Okay, back to the video. Ah! I didn't even put my darks in here. Wow, that was a horrible idea that I just had. I was freezing, stuck in the season, yeah. You made a reason, my heart's been beating since. And baby, okay, new game plan. while my last load is washing, I'm gonna start packing. So I don't need any more clothes. I already have my pajamas for tonight set out. I'll set out my clothes that I'm wearing for tomorrow, which is probably just workout clothes. And then everything else can be packed. I'm probably gonna pack these drawers first because they're like foldables and they can go in these big old IKEA bags that I have, which are very useful for moving. So if you are starting a move, I really recommend buying them. They're like probably not even $1 a piece, and they're huge, like massive. Probably gonna pack all my foldables. It'll probably only take one bag for like underwear and stuff like that. So here we go. Oh, and baby, oh, the way you say my name, I'm feeling hazy. Oh, I feel hazy. I like the way you say my name with the blood in your face. I like the way you say my name when you soak it in grace. Oh, the way you say my name, I'm all over the place. I like the way, I like the way, I like the way you say it. I like the way you say my name with the warmest embrace. I like the way it shoots me far out in the nothing of space. Oh, the way you say my name like the sweetest of taste. I like the way, I like the way, oh, I love the way. Days in, that fire blazing, yeah. You found a way in, my heart's been beating since. My favorite part, packing my self-tan. My babies. I had a momentary, like, breakdown almost. Just because it's so sad to leave and, like, pack up your room that you've had since you were little. Like, don't want to cry again, so I'm not gonna talk about it, but you know how I'm feeling. Back to packing these drawers. I'm gonna bring this with me. I just have to obviously take everything out. I'm putting it in this IKEA bag, which I don't know if it's the best way to transfer, but it's gonna be the way to transfer because I don't have like any boxes or anything. I just feel like this is the best I got. Baby, would you believe me if I said you make me crazy? Oh, baby, you're the way you say my name, I'm feeling hazy. Oh, I feel hazy. I like the way you say my name with the blood in your face. I like the way you say my name when you soak it. Okay, we've made some progress. A lot of progress, actually. So let me just show you. So this is like the apartment room. This is where I'm like keeping all my stuff. So this is basically my entire room right here. Like my hats. Over here is bathing suits, pajamas, kind of, all my shoes. This is what was in my white drawers in my closet. My Alex drawers from IKEA. It's all makeup, hair, everything. And here is socks. This was in my nightstand. And then my like everyday makeup and stuff. And then this is all my jewelry. This is kind of just miscellaneous. I have some mics, some planners, some books, some picture frames, some jewelry cases and stuff. This is my workout clothes. This is sweatpants. That's hats. And then everything that I've like purchased over the time. My mom wants me to take this mirror from my bedroom, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna bring it or not. I might like put it up on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. And yeah, this is all just stuff that I'm bringing to the apartment that's like brand new, haven't touched. This is my record player that I'm also bringing, obviously, because it's so cute. This is my room right now. It's kind of weird. So I'm not taking down these shelves just because like I'm not bringing them, so I figured that they're fine right where they are. My bed, I'm leaving my nightstand. Everything that's still here, I'm leaving. This is just stuff that I'm gonna wear tomorrow, like leggings, my underwear that I'm wearing because I packed all my underwear. And then this is my pajamas. My shoes are ready to go. This bag is, I have some scrapbooks. It's kind of just miscellaneous stuff at this point. A mirror, my hair extensions in there. This shoe I have to give back to Allie because I accidentally took it. I have my jewelry, which is like the last to go because I don't really have anywhere that's like to put it without it all getting like tangled together. So I should have honestly ordered something off Amazon before. I don't have time to like wait on that. So I'll probably just like last minute carry that, you know, I don't really need it at the moment. Hairbrush, leave-in conditioner, that's just like I'm gonna take a shower after this just to have that out. This is empty. I have a car freshener that I'll put in my car. Scissors that I'll bring back downstairs. This is not going with me either. I'm probably gonna put this, I don't know, it's kind of in like rough condition. Like it's kind of not good. So I might just honestly put it out the side of the road and just say free, I guess. My speaker I'm bringing, but that's probably last minute. I'm bringing that pillow. My bedding is all staying where it is. These are all empty except this drawer right here is all my tech stuff that is too fragile to put in like a bag or anything. So I'm probably gonna figure out, maybe I'll put it in that little bag, but I can't, like there's like lenses in here and stuff, so I don't want to like mix that with other things and like break things. So I'm kind of still deciding what to do with that. But other than that, these are all vacant. My clothes, I'm just gonna like take them and then go. You know, like I'm leaving them in here just because it's just easier to have them like hung up. These are all empty, as you guys saw me putting them away. That's all empty. Crazy. This is all trash and stuff that I don't need. I was trying to take off my LED lights, but then it snapped and I can't, like with my acrylics, I can't like lift it, so I'm gonna have to have somebody like without acrylics come and try and take it off. But that's all around the edge of this room, so I'm gonna take it off so my mom doesn't have to deal with that. That's basically it for the moment. I'm gonna take a shower right now and kind of take a break because I mean there's really not much else I need to do. I have some dresses in another closet in another room. Those are like hanging, so it's not really anything to do with right now. Really weird to see my room like this, and it's kind of sad. I know I told you guys, but I had kind of like a wave of sadness because it's weird packing up your room. Like when you're first moving out, it's an emotional time. That's how I was feeling. It's so weird. Oh my gosh, I need to take a picture. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break and then I'll catch you guys either tonight or something when I'm like when it's completely ready to go. Yeah, so it is about 7:30. I showered. I'm in my pajamas. We're not going to talk about how I'm basically living in this sweatshirt these days. It is so comfortable and so cute, and it's like the perfect amount of oversized where it's like a dress on me. Anyway, I'm gonna go say bye to Allie. She's moving to DC. She has a job out there, so she's a big girl now. But she leaves tonight around like 9 or something. She has a red-eye flight out there, and that's like her home. Like she's living there. I think that's so crazy to me. Like we're both moving in the same weekend, which is kind of crazy and also very on brand for us. Like I feel like we live very similar lives, like parallel lives. Like what are the odds we're moving out at the same exact weekend? Yeah, she has her big girl job, so I'm gonna go over to her house right now to say goodbye and stuff. It feels weird because I'm very used to saying goodbye to her at the end of the summer because she always goes back to school. Like she went to school in the East Coast at Penn State, and so I'm always used to saying goodbye to her, so like I don't feel the sadness, but like I think later on it'll hit me like, oh my god, she's moved out there. But then it also gives me a reason to go visit her and stuff and go to the East Coast and travel and everything like that. So I'm excited for her, but it's weird. I feel like I have my own like life to start, but it's like we're both starting our own lives but on separate coasts. Enough talking, let's go say goodbye to Allie Moore. This is the last time you'll see us together. You smell so good. What is that?
The shoe perfume.
The shoe perfume. Allie is leaving forever.
Pretty much.
This is her last. Well, no, you'll see this room again, but room tour.
Oh, does everyone want to see what Mackenzie got me for my?
Oh yeah, I got her a base. That's how you pronounce it. Base.
Yeah.
Base bag, like Shea Mitchell's brand.
Traveler bag.
Love it.
I love it so much.
I started off the vlog with showing them what you got me. The Barefoot Dreams blanket, you all know. It feels weird because it feels like you're just going back to school.
But I'm not.
But you'll be back for the holidays. Well, you won't be here for summers, huh?
No.
That's where it's gonna be weird. Okay guys, I'm ending the vlog here. Thanks for watching moving vlog 1. It's so empty in here. This is all my stuff that I'm wearing tomorrow. Outfit for tomorrow, shoes. I was supposed to give Allie this shoe back, but forgot to bring it. So that's it. Last night here. The room's so small. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Or actually for you in a few days.